Hey guys, I'm Dan, and you're watching Dan Goes Outside. Night fishing in Key West is more than a pastime. It's a full on experience, and as the sun dips below the horizon, the water comes alive. Snook, tarpon, and mangrove snapper move into the shallows, feeding aggressively under the cover of darkness.
Snapper. Yeah. That's what we want right there, baby. Get that thing in the boat, boy.
Very nice. The Sombrero Lighthouse is an area teeming with yellow snapper dancing around the reef edge, grouper lurking in the deep ledges, mean flashy barracuda, and even mahi-mahi when you venture a little further out. Nice.
This is a way better fish here. Size-wise. Blue runner, that's wise. True. Dude, baby, that's what we're after.
Beautiful.
Watch.
Oh, whoa.
Seen his wings come out?
That was cool.
That's a good one, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's American red. Boy, sure he's not yellow on the end? That's American red. Right there is gold, my friend.
Hell yeah.
Check that thing out, an eel.
That's on my pole.
Whoa.
He went in the damn thing.
He went in the hole. He grabbed it and went in the hole.
It's electrified?
Yeah, it's an electric eel.
Well, how you gonna get it off?
Sure fish, you get
Oh,
it.
no, you do it.
Get that, give me that pliers, Paul, please. He's gonna die anyway.
Yes, sir. Come on, baby.
Oh, there's so much stuff happening.
You gonna try to get him with the rag?
Yeah.
Don't let him bite you, Theo. Bite.
I know. Watching because big. I'm gonna sling him that way.
Good. Good.
There it is. From dock pilings and channel markers to glowing mangroves and moonlit flats, the Keys offers a night fishing experience like nothing else. Out here under the stars, every strike tells a story, and the night belongs to the bold. Thanks so much for watching. Special thanks to the Flores family for bringing me. It was such a great experience. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next adventure.